Move over here and get out of his way. We thought the cables would be a problem. We thought the ditch would be a problem. Man, I didn't have to cut that magnolia back as much as I had to do. It's obvious he has done this before. He wanted to chat with me to see exactly where I wanted it. He has definitely done that before, people. I had more trouble than that with the utility trailer backing it in there. He's trying to get me about 4-foot clearance over here.
Probably I might end up going past a little bit.
Yeah, got back out in
then, yeah, I want to get still straighter.
He's got it measured a couple of times. We're trying to get a little 4 feet clearance there. Not trying to repeat myself. And it is bigger than I thought. It's almost as tall as my shed, my boathouse. Right now we're just fine tuning it. Well, this is the first stage of getting it off the trailer. He's got it even with the building all the way around. He's blocked two blocks on the back, and be back with you when he pulls the trailer out from under it. And he's pulling the trailer out from under it. And then he'll put blocks where the front's going to be. He's obviously done this before. Well, it's on the blocks. Well, they use those jacks to jack it up in the air and put 2-inch blocks under the others. The reason you don't see 5 4x4s under that and they are one piece, is it has 2x6 floors, and it has 3/4 inch plywood, and so you don't need the fifth one. And the fifth one, really, you can't jack it up with blocks and put blocks under it except on the ends. And now he's doing it on the sides. He's already done the front. That's the setup. That block is even in the back. At front it needs about 1/4 inch, and he will come around here and jack it up enough to put that under it. And over there, there's a roofing tile. People have used roofing tiles for years to jack up like a house on piers and put roofing tiles on them because they don't compress much. And down this side he has a few shims to put in, and he's done. Well, it's 4:25 here on the East Coast, and the man is driving away with the trailer, and this is all squared up. It's an optical illusion there. It's a 1/4 inch difference between the back and the front against the boathouse. It's all done, blocked, square, level, every corner. It's a little dark in here because it's getting dark, but we like this one because the barn's got a lot of rafters up there, a lot of strength. It comes with the aluminum tech shield on it, which does help a little bit with the heat. And once I get in here, back by the door, might be enough light to see it. No, it's not going to work that well. But this is a big building from this corner to that corner. And the wife thinks I'll have it filled within a year. But anyway, it's been a long journey with a bunch of rules and red tape, but it's done. Did a pretty good job of lining that up with that shed, that boathouse. It's all blocked up. Glad we moved the compost pile. It would have definitely been in his way. And there it'd be sitting on the property next to the boathouse. That will be something we will enjoy. Thanks for watching. Have a good Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.